Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick comparison between Shopify and Etsy. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right. And to answer the question in the end, where should you sell? All right, so first up, Etsy is best for absolute beginners, hobbyists, and artisan creators who want immediate access to buyers with no upfront technical setup. And Shopify is a winner for growing businesses that want full brand ownership, lower long-term transaction fees, and complete control over customer data. So why choose Etsy right here? Etsy functions like renting a small shelf inside a massive, highly trafficked shopping mall. You instantly put your products in the front of roughly 95 million buyers or active buyers searching exclusively for unique items, gifts, and handmade creations. There are no steep ongoing software rentals. You'll only pay about 20 cents per listing or every 4 months, making it mathematically safer to test product viability or print-on-demand design. Now, Etsy functions as a marketplace facilitator, automatically sorting out state sales tax calculations across jurisdictions so you don't have to configure tax structures. Now, why choose Shopify? Shopify right here is building a flagship storefront to the piece of land you own and fully control. While Etsy's pay-as-you-go model sounds appealing, its 6.5 transaction cut applies to your item cost and shipping fees. And once your shop clears roughly $1,000 to $1,350 per month, Shopify's flat subscription fees become significantly more profitable. You can capture your customers' email, deploy pop-up forms, build custom lookbooks, and retarget past buyers with tailored email marketing workflows. On Etsy, you never truly own the client relationship. When shoppers view your item on Etsy, the layout displays similar items from other shops right under your image. And on Shopify, your website belongs exclusively to your catalog. And Shopify right here natively manages up to 2,050 options and variants per item. Whereas Etsy strictly caps you at about 70 variations before forcing you to break products into separate listing. So go ahead and choose Etsy if you are an independent creator or side hustler making handmade goods, vintage collectibles, or digital assets with a zero audience or advertising budget. Choose Shopify if you are launching a commercial brand, have an established social media following, and plan to scale using paid ads or influencer channels, or want true enterprise security and scalability. So that is a quick comparison between Shopify and Etsy. And I hope that answers the question, where should you sell? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.